Hello, I'm Jennifer. Do you have a floor in your house that's wood, vinyl, concrete, or tile that you don't have the money to rip out and start over? I've got a solution for you, so stay tuned. So I am in my store and we have a bathroom in the back. And when we first moved into this space, it had a concrete floor painted red. I'll show you a picture of it. I didn't have time to tackle that project, but now a few years down the road, I decided we are sick of the red. So I am a huge Rust-oleum fan. This is not a paid sponsorship. I just love their products. So the product I chose was the Rust-oleum floor paint. The particular product that I chose with Rust-oleum actually came in a kit. It has 1-step, 2-step, very easy, and you can tint the color. And I tinted mine to dark gray. So let me show you how I did this. So the first step was to actually clean these floors really well, and I just used a spray bleach and cleaned it and got the corners really clean. Very unglamorous part of the job, but you got to get it done right. And let me tell you one thing, so our floor is a concrete floor. It already had a treatment on it and it had an epoxy finish on top, and I'm telling you that because the Rust-oleum product adhered to it absolutely beautifully. For the second step, that was applying my color. And again, I chose dark gray because I was hoping it wouldn't show a lot of dirt and dust. And I rolled it onto the floor. But for the corners, I used a really small brush and just brushed up against the corners, and I painted myself out of the door, let it dry, and then I went in and did a second coat. For the very last step, you have to apply that top coat. And I chose a semi-gloss. I just wanted it to look extra shiny and pretty. And also, I poured this top coat into another cup, and I added a little bit of white paint so that it kind of gave a swirl feature to it. You don't have to do that. That was me just playing with paint. The top coat takes at least 24 hours to dry. So you want to make sure you've done that first coat and that you haven't touched it for 24 hours. Then come in and go ahead and give it a second coat. Now you may not have a concrete floor and maybe you've got a tile floor. I had a tile floor in my guest bathroom and I did a super fun treatment. It was a little bit more work, but it actually looks like old world tile. And what I did, I'm gonna link the video, but very simply, I painted it one coat of color, I painted it a second coat, and I used a sander around the edges to give it an old world look. It was super cool, and again, it was pennies on the dollar. So when you're wanting to do a project and change things up, paint is the quickest way to do it. Be brave, it is just paint. If it doesn't work out, you just paint over it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna have a lot more videos coming out. Stay safe and stay well. Thank you.